there, I'm Lisa Doyle with Christie's International Real Estate here in our incredible East Bay. So I want to welcome you guys to our market update. And the topic of my update this coming month is why in the world is the market so heated? And we're going to talk about interest rates and a little bit about potential what the market's doing moving forward. So I want to share with you guys, we're here in our East Bay and I get questions all the time about the market as, where are we going price-wise? But right now we're in a pretty heated market. So I'm going to give you guys an update on basically, what we're seeing with prices right now. And as you all know, economic supply and demand is the biggest indicator of value, right? So the active and pending ratio is basically our version of supply and demand. So I'm going to share with you guys right now in our East Bay, and our East Bay incorporates all the cities that we have listed below. But if you have questions about your specific city, let me know. I'm going to mention a few here as well. So in our entire East Bay, there's 670 active listings right now, and there's 531 pending. So pretty still a stable market. If you guys remember from the last few months, in the beginning of the year, we were still more pending than active. Right now, we're a little bit more active than pending. This time of year, we tend to see more inventory, although inventory is still very low, which is what's keeping the market moving along, which I'll share with you guys in a minute. So in 2022, I wanted to share with you, 720 homes sold in the month of August in 22. In the month of, August 2023 this year, 507 homes closed. So a lot less home sales, but the biggest reason is inventory is so far down. Buyers are struggling finding homes, which is putting pressure on the prices to keep things stronger. So I want to share with you guys, we're going to go through some graphs in just a minute about inventory, but that is the biggest factor in why our market has been so heated. And right now, it's interesting. 42% of all the homes that are pending have seen multiple offers, 2 offers or more. So we personally are seeing that over this last couple of weeks. Multiples on most of the houses are selling over. So we're in a pretty robust market right now. I think buyers were hoping for a decline, and we're just not seeing it right now. I have to tell you guys, I don't project that that's going to be the case moving forward either, and I'll share with you why. But I want to give you a little bit more data. Average list price, and this is interesting. Average list price 2023 in August was in our East Bay $1,199,000, so basically 1.2. Average sold price $1,239,000. So we're still seeing average homes are selling over asking price. 1 year ago, 2022, average list price was $1,287, very similar to today. Average sold price was just about the same, $1,269. So our prices are actually driving over more now than we were 1 year ago. Things are more healthy today than they were back in the middle of 2022. So it's good for you guys to keep an eye on. The East Bay hotspots, I want to share with you. So Sereno right now has 51 active listings and 60 pending. Sereno is our biggest heated area right now, and we're seeing that personally. Multiple offers on almost every house, very low inventory. Generally, this time of year, you would see 180 active listings. Right now, we have 51. Significant, right? Danville, 55 active listings, 41 pending. Dublin, 35 active, 39 pending. And the other hotspot, Pleasanton, 42 active and 51 pending. So we are still seeing a very robust market. Now I'm going to switch over to show you guys some graphs. This first graph shows you where we were in the last few years as far as our flow of active listings at this time of year. So you can see seasonally, generally the listing inventory will drop during this time of year. If you see that dotted line at the very bottom, that's 2023. Those other colored years are 2019, 2018 through 2022. So you can see we are dramatically lower inventory today than we've been even during the more normal market, which is 18 and 19, right? And if you look at my next slide, it says new listings below like previous years, right? So 2023, again, we are, 40% less inventory today than we were anytime, even during the more normal market back in 18 and 19, kind of pre-pandemic when we were a little bit more normal. And my next slide I want to show you is important as well. So you look at this one that says newly homes listed 2019 versus 2023. Again, statistically, we are significantly lower inventory, and this is what's putting pressure on our values. We're definitely seeing prices, as we talked about, 42% of the homes selling with multiple offers in our area going over. And I want to share with you guys another key couple elements. A lot of people have thought about this year, the last couple of years, maybe the last 12 months, basically, when the market is showing signs of higher interest rates. Are we going to see something similar to what we saw back in 2008? And I want to show you the biggest reason why we will not. Inventory is one, but also this slide shows you 38.7% of Americans in our country own their homes free and clear. If you would have looked back in 2008, between 2008 and 11, when the market was crashing during the financial crisis, we had such a significant underwater country, about $865 billion worth of debt back in the 2008 through 11. And right now we're seeing about 250 billion. So significantly lower debt on our homes, right? 38% of the families own the houses free and clear, and another 30% own 50% or more in equity. So this is a significant reason why we will not see a great deal of foreclosures. We will not likely to see any significant problems with what you might deem to be market crashing, which is what I know buyers were hoping for. But as a seller, this is your opportunity. This is why our market's been so heated. In the fall, sometimes people believe that real estate is not as robust. But right now, we've had the most robust market I've seen in the last 12 months. And I would say if you're thinking about moving, now's a good time. But if you guys have questions, give me a call. I'm Lisa Doyle with Sereno, Christie's International here in our amazing East Bay, and I'm so happy to help. You guys take care. Stay well.